should.
Hi everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up live streaming within your vMix production. Now I've already set up a small production here and I'm going to now show you how you can live stream this to the World Wide Web. Down the bottom we have a stream button and next to it we have a cog icon that you can use to configure your streaming settings. If you click on this, then you'll be able to change the settings for your streaming. Up the top we have a profile section. And this allows you to save different streaming settings to different profiles. So if you want to do that, you set up all of your streaming information and then you can click add and save it to a profile. Click OK. Under that we have three numbers, 1, 2, and 3. Now this is an advanced feature that we'll cover later on in this video. The destination section is where you want to stream to. So if you click on the drop down, you'll see a bunch of different providers that you can automatically log into from vMix. Now this list will continue to grow as we add more providers. So for example, if you wanted to sign into something like Twitch or Ustream, you just need to select the provider and then enter the username, password that they've given you, then click login and update channels. Now this vMix will then connect to the provider, and then you'll populate the channels and you'll be able to select the channel that you want to stream to by this drop-down menu. If you want to use or sign up for any of these particular providers, you can click on them in the drop-down, and then you can click the sign up button, and that will take you through to their website. If you want to use YouTube Live, just select it from the drop-down menu and enter your stream key. Now this is available in when you log into YouTube, into the streaming settings. If you're not quite sure where this is, just click on the sign up link underneath and you'll go to our knowledge base article with a full step-by-step guide on how to get your stream key. For Facebook streaming, see the links in the video description. Now, if your provider isn't in this list, that's absolutely no problem at all. Just select custom RTMP server up the top, enter your URL and your stream name or key. Now your provider will be able to give this to you, or typically you can find it in the streaming settings when you log into their portal. Okay, underneath that, we have input size and frame rate. Now these are linked to your quality settings and shouldn't need to be changed. So the quality settings here they'll determine the quality of the stream that you're sending. So from the drop-down menu, you can select the one that's going to best suit your production. Now there's a bunch of presets here, and these can also be changed by clicking the cog icon. So you can change the rate up here and change the information and click save. So please keep in mind that the stream of your internet connection will determine the maximum quality you can select for a reliable stream. For example, if you have a 2 megabit upload speed, 1.5 megabits per second is generally the highest you can expect to stream reliably. Leave plenty of headroom to ensure a good, smooth stream. Take it from us, it's always best to test this out before doing your live stream. By default, vMix streams via FFmpeg. You can choose to use FMLE if your provider doesn't accept FFmpeg, but it's for more advanced users. If you have a system with a recent NVIDIA graphics card, ticking the Use Hardware Encoder box here will reduce the load on the CPU and is especially useful for high resolution streams such as Full HD or even 4K. Once you have your settings ready to go, then you can click the Add box next to the Profile section and name your streaming profile. Once you are completely happy with all of your settings, click Save and Close below. Okay, I've already set up a streaming profile for this stream, so I'm going to select that now so we can test it out. So you can hit the start button here to start the stream, but typically you would use the stream button down the bottom here to start your stream. Once clicked, it will turn orange, and that means it's connecting to your provider, and then will go red once the stream is up and running. Now, if this button turns orange at any point during the stream, it means there are some issues with your streaming. So we have a guide underneath the video that you can follow to troubleshoot your stream. So to turn off the stream, it's just a matter of clicking it and stopping the stream. Okay, so that's how you do basic streaming in vMix. Now I'm going to cover some more advanced features within the streaming section. So if you go back into your streaming settings, you'll notice that we have, as we mentioned before, a 1, 2, and 3 button. Now this means that you can stream to 3 different locations at the same time. You set them up the exact same way that you do for the first streaming provider. So you click number 2, then you click a second provider, fill out all the information. Then you can click a third one if you want to, and then select that, and then fill out all that information and so on. Then you can choose to alter the quality settings for each provider by clicking the cog down here and selecting 2 and 3 and changing the quality settings for these for the second and third streaming provider, and then click save down the bottom. Okay, so that's how you stream to multiple locations. You can also use vMix to multi-bitrate stream to one location. So that means you're sending 3 different quality streams to the same location. So let's go to the quality settings, and then you'll need to set up these three here. So we have one selected, so you can only select one to this provider here. And then we're going to change the quality settings for this one stream. So we're sending 3 streams to one provider. We've done that by selecting one stream and then clicking all 3 buttons here and then clicking save. This will now change to multi-bitrate streaming down here. Okay, so that's a bit of an advanced look at how to stream to multiple locations and how to multi-bitrate stream to one location. Now remember, sending out 2 or 3 streams will dramatically increase your bandwidth, and you will need to be able to have enough headroom with your internet connection to send 3 different streams. So we have a full help guide. If you click the question mark up the top, if you want to find out any more information about any of the small settings or anything for the streaming, you can do that on that page. You can send us an email or leave us a comment below also. Thanks for watching.
Shoot.